Guys, I'm back here with another video, and this time it's a fireworks stash video. Got some more fireworks here, some there and some in here. So anyway, I'll go through them and show you what I got here. Actually, I say what I got. It's my grandfather's. It's for their church. They have a picnic every year, and they have fireworks. So he orders them from a guy a couple hours away, and then the guy brings them up. He sells them to my grandfather for about half price. So the last 3 years, I think, I've been setting them off. So he just gives them to me, and I hang on to them. And anyway, but today is it's Wednesday, the 16th, maybe 15th of July. I'm not sure, but anyway, this Sunday is when the picnic is. So, but yeah, I'm sorry I haven't given any videos. I've been working a lot lately, so I haven't got a chance to do any videos. But anyway, I've uploaded some from this winter, or this spring, I guess is when it was, and I'm gonna upload a spring fishing video, and I got the fireworks, and I got a couple other videos I'm gonna show you. I got some new waders, so I'll show you them, and then I'm going to show you my spring muskrat catch. I ended up catching 18 muskrats, and so that was a pretty good year. So anyway, I only caught 15 this spring, so I'm going to go get a chair here. So that's another thing I never showed you guys too. I started getting into maple syrup this spring. Right here, those are all my taps that I use. So anyway, I get into that this spring, and so I think I got I had 30 taps out, maybe 35, something like that, or maybe it was 25. I think it was 25 or 30, and I ended up getting probably, I'd say 8 liters of syrup, probably. So, oh, the phone's ringing. So, anyway, we'll get to the fireworks video here. It's right here in this bag. It's called the Bang Bag. It's got a cherry bomb, 2 air bombs, and those just go up and bang. And then Butterfly Thunder, that goes up and bangs, and then it's got like a break on it, and it crackles a little, I think. And then Bang Bomb, I forget what that one does. That one might go up in like color, go different colors on the way up, and then it blows up. And then right here we've got Banger Plus. So 4 large color changing stars, silver to red, ending with a very loud bang and bright silver flash. So we got 2 of those, Banger Plus. Then we've got this one down here, 21 shots, Fear No Evil. This is a barrage screeching, spinners, and multicolor mines. And then right here we get this big guy. This is called Top Dog. You can see that's quite a tall thing. And it says right there, shoot 70 balls of colored stars with a loud bang. So those ones there, I've lit these ones all off. I don't remember that, but I've lit these all off. These ones I've never seen, and then these two, I've seen them before, but I've never lit them off. So these two I haven't lit off either. Meteor Invasion. That's just a one-shot mine, and so is this one, Flower Power. So on here it says mine of multicolored stars that burst into multicolored flowers. And for the Meteor Invasion, it says shoots shell 20 meters bursting to an enormous blue to crackling display. So those are just single shot ones, these two, and these ones, but this one's 70, 21, and 4 each there. So next we have our 50 shot strobing missiles. So they have like a silver tail that comes off them, and they just whistle all the way up. And then right here we've got 20 shot Whiskey Tango, and then it shows there 4 shots, crackling tail burst. So anyway, that's all of what they do, the 4 shots. So there. Then we get this one. This one's going to be in my finale. Snapshot, 25 shots. See what they do there. And then right here we have one that's called Night Terror. That's a fan and cake, 36 shots. So anyway, the effects are on the side. I think, up here, 18 shots of red tail to starburst, 18 shots of green tail to starburst. So that's what that is. Then over here in this box we have Menace. So that says right there. Red tail to chrysanthemum flowers, 25 shots. Bad Attitude, it says down there, 36 shots, and it said glittering and crackling chrysanthemums. And this one is also going to be in the finale, Hardcore, 25 shots, so you can see what it does. And then this one, Hell's Gate, you can see it's like a star. That's a 15 shot. You can see what they do there. And then this one, this is a new company, just last year that came out. Right there, Competition Fireworks. They have some pretty good fireworks. So this one's called Heatwave, 25 shots, and it's with a 5-shot finale. And it says all what it's got up here. tails, peony, which is a loud bang, strobing stars, and crackling. And then right here, shockwaves. 25 shot. And then it says right there, red tails burst into gold crown. So my finale is going to be this one, heat wave, hardcore, and snapshot. And then I think what I might do is this one, shockwaves and menace. You see it says rapid fire on menace, and shockwaves is the same way, and they're both 25 shots. And then in here on my little stash, I've got the same one. I've got menace right here too. So, and then that red, white, and awesome has a 5-shot finale on it. So, but I think what I might do is put the menace and my menace together, and we'll and then that'll be 3 rapid firing ones, or cakes or whatever, and then I might put the red, white, and awesome in the finale. So anyway, so that's the fireworks there. I'll get someone to take a video there at the picnic, so you guys will be able to see that. But anyway, so that's that. I'll get a video of my muskrats and my new waders and stuff. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys later.